Tezos, XTZ, is a decentralized ledger that uses blockchain technology. Similar to Ethereum, Tezos is also designed to be able to use smart contracts. This ledger was created with the aim of becoming a thriving network. XTZ's flexibility is often considered one of the most important aspects of its system. This is due to the lack of flexibility and scalability in other crypto assets such as Bitcoin, making it difficult and burdensome for these crypto assets to grow. Ethereum is one of those crypto assets that has grown in large part due to its versatility, and it is trying to continue in the same direction. Tezos allows anyone who owns the XTZ crypto asset to submit ideas or make changes to the rules owned by Tezos. Once decided, the software will automatically update the idea to ensure changes are made. By using this system, this crypto asset aims to reduce the possibility of blockchain forking. Fork is a process of creating two separate crypto assets with two different prices. The presence of Tezos can in fact change the blockchain taxonomy. The plan for changes made by Tezos is that it will trigger the division of crypto assets into two camps: crypto assets that have off-chain governance and crypto assets that have on-chain governance. To make the system work properly, XTZ token holders are allowed to vote or vote through a process known as baking, where they agree to lock the number of XTZ they had in a special contract. Users can become bakers or delegate XTZ to other bakers to win freshly minted XTZ from the protocol. The founders of Tezos, XTZ, are husband and wife, Arthur and Kathleen Brightman. They created it in 2014 through Dynamic Ledger Solutions, a startup they founded to develop Tezos. Kathleen Brightman is one of the most influential figures in the crypto industry. Before she and her husband founded Tezos, she was a senior strategy associate at R3, a company operating in the blockchain industry. The Tezos team held an initial coin offering.